Alright, Kevin from JJ Hat Center. Today we're going to talk a little bit about just choosing a hat for yourself. How do you go about doing it? Where do you start? Are there any rules to it? You know, what's the rules? Tall guy, skinny guy, fat guy gets this hat or that brim. Are there rules? How much are the rules important or not? What is important? How should a hat fit? What hat is for summer? What's for winter? What's for in between? What do I need? We're going to try to address a whole bunch of those things. I'll probably address some and forget most of them. But as a tradition here on Hats and Guitars, Kevin from the JJ Hat Center will attempt to sing or play a song off the cuff. I try not to rehearse, which is usually kind of, a bad thing on top of a good thing. That's how I sort of experiment. I come up with songs that way, and I learn how to improvise this and that. But yeah, again, versions of the songs always come out better the second or third time because it's like more rehearsal. So I'm going to try to do this song about detectives and stuff like that, and police. Nice girls, not one with a defect. Selfie, shrink wrap, so correct. Red dogs under illegal X. She looks so good that he gets down and begs. She is watching the detectives. He's so cute. Watching the detectives when they shoot. They beat him up until the teardrops start. Can't go only 'cause he got no heart. Long shot at jumping side. Miserable shit's running down my spine. They taking off her clothes. Cause up the sign says we never close. These nights that you ain't matches the cigarette. She pulls her eye out with the face like a magnet. I don't know how much more of this I can take. She's filing her nails while they're dragging the leg. She is watching the detectives. Oh, he's so cute. She is watching the detectives when they shoot, beat him up until the teardrops stop. They can't be one because he got no heart. You think you're alone until you realize you're in it. But fear is here to stay, love is here to visit. They call it instant justice when it's past the legal limits. There's someone scratching at the window, I wonder who it is.